Well, howdy. Williams, Philippines. Boy, remember I mentioned something about my bottles I found? I don't know how well you can't see through that. That is the Merlot. Well, it's the 2011. It's the real thick one. Good stuff. Uh, Having some of that with the tail end of my dinner here. Uh, Williams, Philippines. It is 10:30, March 25th, 2025. And hang on. Mm, that's got a good taste. Anyway, just got off the phone with the bike class. They had one available yesterday or the day before. I didn't book it because I wanted to take and do it out of my pocket when my paycheck came in, and went there today because my paycheck came in. It ain't there. Called them, and they're trying to work with me, and we'll see. Should hopefully hear something this week or next week about something in April. Hopefully. Because I found one on the 12th, but it's not there anymore. So, yay. I don't know about you, but yeah. Trying to do the three ring circus. And yesterday, well, I got over and I have a cut off. Yeah. It's a cheap one, angle grinder. I think it was $15. And grabbed a couple of, that was half the price of the bloody grinder. $7. Needless to say, uh, got here this morning and went in there and started taking a shovel and smacking the edges of the room, getting the tiles up that are underneath the tack strip nails. And they say that you're supposed to be nice to people even when they do things stupid and easy. I'm wondering why. Anyway, hang on here. Come on around this way. There we go. I'm tired of trying to lean that way. I already have a bit of sore. I pulled a stupid. Yeah. While I was at work, I was stretching out in the chair. Guess what? I stretched too far. Chair went and hit the floor with me in it. Not a good thing to do. Anyway, yeah. So I'm a bit sore this morning, and between smacking the shovel up against there, I got that room done, I think. I might have missed a couple spots and have to go back, but now I just need to clean it up and find all the ones I missed, get them took care of and clean it up again, and then I can actually get to the disc grinding part, get that down, and yeah. And I ended up breaking up a couple pieces of little quarter round for sitting on top of the tile, so I'll probably go ahead and pull that all up because it's just a paint job. Uh, get that and run a couple pieces around the edge just to hold it up enough to slide tile under. Paint it all, and then start putting the floor in. Or maybe, I don't know. I'd prefer to have the walls painted before I go putting tile in because then I got to worry about getting paint on tile. I am trained to get stuff done. But yeah, I might try to get in there and get it all finished up, cleaned up today, or at least cleaned up enough I can find out where I need to do a little more work and such. try to get toward disc grinder Wednesday. Got a doctor's appointment on Thursday, I think. So, yeah, I don't know. We'll see what I can do on. I might try to get the tile up off the floor and swept up and vacuumed up well enough to do some stuff tomorrow that way. Uh, and then I'm hoping to have it painted maybe next Wednesday, Thursday. We'll see. But yes, got over, got the little bit of putty. I don't know. Can you see it? No. Hang on. 5-gallon bucket of white paint. I'm just gonna paint it white. Ain't gonna try to make it fancy or nothing. Come on. This thing's supposed to actually have tracking, but I haven't turned it. I haven't turned it on. I don't think. Yes. At least it doesn't track the way I think it should. There is a way to get it to do it. Hand signals of some sort and such. But yes, I've got some putty to fix the couple of little holes. There's a hole in the ceiling where I've got to pull that stuff down too. I had my aquaponics set up in there, and the lights have a couple of 1x4s that ran across a few ceiling joists, and I got to pull those, and yeah, that's going to leave a couple of little holes there, and I got a other hole I got to work with. So I got a little bit of sheetrock putty to put in there because it's so much fun. So yes, and then I got the 5-gallon paint. That'll get that room in probably part of most of another one, if not the whole other one. Uh, I might have some left over to finish a couple other spots, but not much. But I got the paint, I got the disc, and like I say, I'm going to go in there and try to clean it up today so that I can get in there and finish it off for, the floor off so I can, get in there and actually do something. And when I get that all painted, I don't know. I don't know about you, but I don't like the smell of paint. I had to deal with it when I was younger. At one point, I actually painted cars, and at another point, I actually painted airplanes. I hate painting. Because if somebody finds out you're capable of painting, they want you to paint for them. I hate painting, especially for other people. I barely tolerate me doing it for me because I hate painting. I really do. Problem is, I'm actually decent at it. Go figure. Why is it when you're actually decent at something, they want you to take and do it, even when you don't like it? Yeah, it is what it is. But anyway, I am enjoying my 2011 Merlot, and I'm gonna finish off the bottle here. I got about half a bottle left right now. Uh, I might go back for some seconds. I got a little bit more pork roast left and some veggie melody, broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. I popped through the microwave. I got some of that left. Don't have any more French fries. Makes me want to add more French fries, but it is what it is. Should hold off on the carbs. But the Merlot turned out real good. I knew that already. I just didn't know whether it was the Merlot or the Mead. And turns out it's the better of the 2011. So, yay. I can tell because of how thick it is. Like I say, this one here is real thick. The other one was thinner. You could almost see through it. This one you cannot see through. Even in that little glass, you can't see through it. The whole bottle, I should have known it when I looked at it. But the mead was kind of like that too. So, would have been nice if it had been the mead. That packed up wallop. But it is what it is. Anyway, I'm tired. It's been a busy one. I still need to talk to a credit card company. Apparently, they're still sending me bills here instead of there. Because fun stuff. I don't know. But every time I get a bill here, I try to get in touch with them and tell them, hey, that needs to go there. And I'm trying to get all of them that I can over onto paperless. And my worry is I'm going to goof and miss one. I'm trying to get those down to as few as possible so I don't have too many issues that way. And then only have things that I have to have go to the other address. And if I have to, I can always have that sent where I am over there or to my aunt's. So much fun stuff. But yes, need to get that. And like I say, I also want to find out about which card would be the most beneficial for getting my points and air miles toward my purchase here. Which one would make it the best? Because I got a couple of them that are viable. I just don't know for sure which one. Because I want to, if I'm putting my plane ticket on a card, I want it to have the insurance that'll cover me in case something happens, so I don't have to buy it. It's already covered and comes as a benefit for the card. So I need to call, I think, 3 different cards. And since it's, yeah, that's one of those fun things I can do here before I go to sleep today. Because I really do want to go to sleep. Between falling over last night and getting in there and hacking away at it and what I did this weekend, I'm a bit on the tired and sore side. Don't know about you, but this side over here telling me nasties. It is what it is. Don't get old. And if you are going to get old, take care of yourself now. While you're young, keep yourself together. All that stupid stuff when you bounce and hit the floor and roll up and say, oh, I didn't feel it when you're young. Understand it is accruing interest. Oh, and it comes back compounded interest all due. Because, hey, it's that way. Anyway, I'm going to call it a day. Get a couple more things done. I think I am going to add a little more. I'm still hungry. And the Merlot goes down good with food. Very good with food. Oh, I did give somebody 2 bottles. So this will put me down a third of the case gone. So, yay. I hope that they enjoy it. I know I am. Well, that's why I learned to make the stuff, because I actually like wine. And I figure it like this, I can make it for a lot less than I can buy it. All that fun stuff. Anyway, this is Williams Philippines. Come along for the ride. Like, comment, subscribe, jump up and down and off a roof. It's your choice. Because, hey, life is choice. It's some wonderful consequences that make you want to pay attention. because them consequences will hurt you if you let them. Yeah. Dance in the road. Go for it. Bumpers. Anyway, I hope you've had a blessed day, and I hope your work week is an easy one on you. Lots of food, lots of friends, lots of family, and again, more food. More food. Anyway, Williams, Philippines. I'm Fish. Fish is out.